What is Caltabos and how do you make it? Stick around to find out. Today I'm going to make a traditional Romanian recipe using beef liver, sauteed in onion and served with rice. It's going to be delicious. I have here beef liver that I washed really well, and then I'm going to soak it in milk while I'm sauteing the onion. I'm going to cook some rice, 1.5 cup of rice. I washed the rice. I like washing it so to remove some of the starches, and then I'm going to cover it with 3 cups of cold water and put it on the stove to boil. Meanwhile, I'm going to peel the onions and chop them. Chopped up my onion. I'm going to add vegetable oil to my pot, about 3 tablespoons. Adding a bit of kosher salt, draw the moisture out from my onion. Cover the onion and let it saute. Meanwhile, my rice is boiling. So once it boils, then you take a tablespoon of butter, margarine, I'm using ghee. Stir it in, and I'm also adding a little bit of salt. Mix this in, and then we'll cover it. Set it to the lowest heat possible and time it for 15 minutes. Don't touch it, don't look at it, don't uncover it. The onions are done. Should look like translucent. I rinsed the liver, cut it into 1-inch pieces, and I'm adding it to the onion together with some water. About 1/2 cup of water. Stir in there. A little bit of black pepper, some cloves, allspices. A sprinkle of nutmeg. So now I'm going to cover it and let it cook. The rice is done. So let's see. Oh, hot, hot, hot. Look at that. So you just fluff it with a fork. Look at this. So mix in the ghee, the butter, whatever you're using. Beautiful. It works every time. Back to the liver now. So give it a stir, and if you see that the water has evaporated but the liver hasn't cooked through yet, add a little bit more water and cover it and let it cook until tender. Once the liver is done, you can now serve it with the rice and enjoy a nice meal. Or you can keep watching how we like to serve it as a dish called Caltabos in Romanian. And to do this, it's very simple. We first have to grind the liver or use a food processor. I'm going to put it through the grinder. So I grind the liver, and now I'm going to put it back in the pot, and I'm going to mix it with the rice. Now when you're mixing it together, you can adjust the spices. You can add more spices if you would like, or more salt or pepper. Once it's all mixed together, to serve it, you heat a frying pan with a little bit of oil and add the amount you want and pan fry it, turning it over once until nicely brown. Then remove to a plate, serve it with some pickles and some bread. Let me know how you like this dish, if you have tried it, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.